Hi everybody, in this video we'll see how to generate a report from uTouchPOS++. Let's log into the uTouchPOS. From from the main window, you need to go to reports. From here, in this report window, you can change the dates. Let's say 8th of Saturday and the today's date. You can select the report by sale. In the sale section, there is overall sale, sale by category, sale by group, sale by item, payment type, sale by employees, and lots of other features. You can see the discount history. You can see the clock in, clock out history. You can see refund history, trial history, void history, miscellaneous, and low quantity. So let's generate a sale by overall sale. View it. It will show you the payment type, though we do not have any sale with cash. It will show you the net sale, employee number, employee name, paid tax, refund, voided. All those information will show in the report. You can save it in PDF file or you can save it in a CSV file. You can straight away print the bill from here. So if you want to see by group, you need to select it. Select sell by group, view. It will show you the quantity and menu group name and price, how much it sell. Thank you. That's it for the how to generate the report for uTouchPOS. Thank you.